Imagine an era when Italian muscle roared across American highways. A time when Ferrari felt the pressure, Lamborghini looked over its shoulder. And one car stood out as the silent king of grand tours. The 1973 Maserati Ghibli V8, Italian masterpiece built for long US roads. A design so sharp that even today people mistake it for a modern supercar. And a rarity so extreme that spotting one is like witnessing a moving piece of art. Stay with me, because in this video, we're breaking down its insane performance, its presence in America, its rarity, real-world value today, and the hidden facts collectors never talk about. This is the final year legend. This is the 1973 Maserati Ghibli. Welcome to Car Aag 765, your home for classic legends and rare machines. If you love exotic history and forgotten power, hit the subscribe button. Now let's time travel back to the glorious 1973 Maserati Ghibli. The Maserati Ghibli wasn't just designed, it was sculpted. Styled by the legendary Giugiaro, the same mind behind the DeLorean and Lotus Esprit, the Ghibli was built to turn heads on both Italian streets and American boulevards. By the early 70s, American buyers loved powerful GT cars. Maserati saw the opportunity and asked a simple question. What if we build an Italian V8 monster that Americans would fall in love with? And that's how the Ghibli became one of the most admired grand tourers of its era. Power and performance. Under its long, aggressive hood sat a 4.9-liter Maserati V8, 310 horsepower, 0 to 60 mph in around 6.5 seconds. A top speed near 174 miles per hour. In 1973, those numbers were wild. Corvette owners took notice, Ferrari fans were impressed. And Lamborghini suddenly had real competition. The Ghibli wasn't just fast, it was a high-speed luxury bullet built for endless American highways. American road presence. Only a limited number of Ghibli models ever reached the US. Not many, because Maserati was expensive, and the American fuel crisis had just started. But those few owners who had a Ghibli, they had status. From Beverly Hills to Miami Beach, the Ghibli became a symbol of quiet power and refined luxury. Hollywood celebrities loved it because it wasn't loud like a Ferrari. Yet it had more elegance than almost anything on the road. A design that still looks modern. The design of the 1973 Ghibli is automotive artwork. Ultra-long hood, low, aggressive nose, pop-up headlights, wide GT stance, handcrafted Italian leather interior. Even today, people look at it and ask, what supercar is that? The styling was decades ahead of its time. Why the 1973 model is special. 1973 was the final production year of the Ghibli. And last year models are almost always more collectible. This version came with matured V8 tuning, improved braking, better reliability, more refined details in the cabin. Collectors value the 73 Ghibli far more than earlier years. Rarity and today's price. Finding a 1973 Maserati Ghibli today is incredibly rare. In the US, only a few dozen are believed to remain. Current market prices. Good condition, $180,000 minus $260,000. Fully restored, $300,000 plus. Auction stars, $400,000 plus. Owning one is not just about money. It's about holding a piece of Italian engineering history. Built for passion, built for speed, built for America. Final thoughts. The 1973 Maserati Ghibli is more than a car. It's a statement, a timeless Italian grand tourer with soul. A machine that delivers power, elegance, heritage, and emotion in every mile. And if you ever spot one on the road, know that you're witnessing one of the rarest Italian legends ever created. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And subscribe to Car Aag 765 for more classic car stories that never fade.